Finally, see, to start. In the year 2009, the Uttar Pradesh Minor Irrigation Department Subordinates Engineering Services Rules 2009, for short Rules 2009, came into force on 16/10/2009, again framed under Article 309 of the Constitution. Part 5 of Rules 2009 provided for the procedure for recruitment, which comprised of Rules 14 and 17. Rule 15 for provided that the Commission would prepare a list of candidates in order to their proficiency as disclosed by the aggregate of marks obtained by each candidate in the written examination as well as interview, and accordingly recommended such number of candidates as they consider fit for appointment. After preparation for the said list, the Commission would forward it to the appointing authority. Sub Rule 5 of the Rule 15 further provides that if recruitment was being made for more than one branch of engineering, then in such case the Commission would prepare a combined select list of candidates in order of their proficiency as disclosed by the aggregate of marks obtained by the candidates in the written examination and interviews accordingly, and shall also forward the same list to the appointing authority in addition to the list forwarded under Rule 15 for Rules 14 to 17 of Rules 2009 are reproduced below. The appointing authority shall determine and estimate to the Commission the number of vacancies to be filled during the course of the year of recruitment, as also the number of vacancies to be reserved for candidates belonging to the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other categories under Rule 6. Applications for permission to appear in the competitive exam shall be called by the Commission in the prescribed form published in the advertisement issued by the Commission. No candidate shall be admitted to the examination unless he holds a certificate of admission issued by the Commission. After the results of the written examination have been received and tabulated, the Commission shall, having regard to the need for securing due representation of the candidates belonging to the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other categories in accordance with Rule 6, summon for interview such number of candidates as have come up to the standard fixed by the Commission in this respect. The marks awarded to each candidate at the interview shall be added to the marks obtained by him in the written examination. The Commission shall prepare a list of candidates in order of their proficiency as disclosed by the aggregate of marks obtained by each candidate at the written examination and interview, and recommended such number of candidates as they consider fit for appointment. If two or more candidates obtain equal marks in the aggregate, the name of the candidates obtaining higher marks in the written examination shall be placed higher in the list. If two or more candidates obtain equal marks in the written examination also, the name of the candidate senior in age shall be placed higher in the list. The Commission shall forward the list to the appointing authority. If the recruitment is being made in more than one branch of engineering as specified in clause 1 of the Rule 5, then in such the Commission shall be prepare a combined list of candidates in order of the proficiency as disclosed by the aggregate of marks obtained by each candidate in written examination and interview, and shall also forward the same to the appointing authority along with the list under sub rule 4 stub.